Did Steven Lawson help in the presumed murder of Crystal Rogers? Details about what prosecutors say he did have rapidly come into focus in day 2 of testimony. You are watching Wave News at 5. I'm Brian Schlonsky.
And I'm Myra Ansari. We already know Lawson's defense is not contesting that he tampered with evidence in the Bardstown mother's 2015 disappearance.
They say that he did pick his son up from Crystal's car and that he even manipulated the scene to make it appear that she had been driving that car. But some witnesses say his involvement was so much more.
Wave News reporter Lena Noakes has been following along in court. She's live in Warren County with more.
Yeah, Myra, 4 separate witnesses all testified to that, detailing to jurors today the interactions and conversations that they had with Steve Lawson in the days before and after Crystal Rogers' disappearance. And they all said that they waited months, if not years, to take those details to law enforcement, which is something the defense made sure to emphasize today. You'll recall that Steve Lawson has said that the 13-second phone call with Brooks Houck on the night that Crystal disappeared was about a rental house for his daughter. We heard from that daughter today, Lauren Harden. Her mom was Tammy, who passed away shortly after Crystal disappeared. She says that she never asked Lawson to call about an apartment and wasn't looking for one. In fact, Houck was already evicting her from one of his. But perhaps the most explosive testimony came from a woman Joseph Lawson had a child with around 2017. That's Elizabeth Chesser. Her mom was also dating Steve at the time. She alleges that Steve told her he had wanted to leave Tammy, his prior wife, because, quote, she knew he had committed murder. She also alleges that Joseph told her he had moved Crystal's car and said, quote, no evidence, no case. She assumed this to mean there wasn't a body left. It took her several years to tell police any of this. And the defense really pressed her on that, suggesting that she had made up her story based on documentaries that she had watched. She disputed this vehemently to them, and she has also been retained as a witness. That means she could be recalled again to the stand to make further testimony as this trial continues. It appears that we have wrapped for day 2. We're going to have more on the testimony from the late afternoon coming up tonight at 6. For now, in Warren County, Lena Noakes, Wave News.
Explosive day 2. All right, thanks for the update.